Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've partnered with Sally Beauty to show you how I create a fresh and natural makeup look using my favorite products for the spring. I start by using Colab's No Flaws Liquid Concealer and applying it on my eyelid as a primer. This helps the eyeshadow last longer and appear brighter. Next, I use Colab's Get Ready With Me Pro Eyeshadow Palette. I first apply this light matte shade as my base color. Then I apply this medium brown shade to my crease. Then I take this shimmery brownish color with a hint of orange and I apply that to my lid. Next, I take this dark eyeshadow and apply it to the outer corner of my lid. Lastly, I take this light shimmery color and apply it to my brow bone. Browns and neutrals are my favorite for the season because they give that natural and bronzy look. To prep my skin for foundation, I use Femme Couture's Get Luminous Dewy Drops Primer. This gives me a dewy spring glow. A little bit goes a long way, so you don't need much. Next, I apply Colab's Meet Your Matte Velvet Foundation. As you can see, this foundation provides medium to full coverage and hides my imperfections. With that being said, it still doesn't feel too heavy during the warmer temperatures. Then I apply Colab's No Flaws Liquid Concealer under my eyes, on my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I use a sponge to blend it with my foundation. To contour, I use Palladio's Highlight and Contour Palette. Since I already used the concealer to highlight, I'm just going to use this dark shade here to contour. I apply this under my cheekbone, my jawline, and along my hairline, and I make sure to blend it out well. Then I add some to my nose as well using a smaller brush. For my brows, I use Palladio's Brow Definer Micro Pencil. I simply outline and fill them in and then blend with a spoolie. Next, I use Femme Couture's Eye Drama Felt Tip Eyeliner. This liquid eyeliner is easy to apply and helps create a nice cat eye. For blush, I use Palladio's Herbal Matte Blush in Chic, which is the perfect warm shade for the spring. Highlighter is one of my favorite beauty products, so I used two. I used Colab's The Filter Highlighting Powder in both Censored and Glow Insane. Now it's time to add some glam and drama with the lashes. I used Ardell's Double Up Wispy Lashes and applied them with Duo Glue. First, I apply a little bit of glue to the lashes and let it dry for about 20 seconds. Then I use tweezers to apply them on my lash line. To complete my eyes, I use Femme Couture's Fake Mega Lash Mascara and apply it to my lower lashes. I finish off the look with Femme Couture's lip gloss in Peach Nude. I hope you like this look, which is perfect for the season, and you can shop these products by clicking the link in the description box below and by going to sallybeauty.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.